Get paid with these new money making sources that I'll share with you in today's video. They work for absolutely free and anyone can join. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so we are going to get you notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them. If you love this type of content, you can also leave this video a thumbs up and also comment down below if you want to ask me any question about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's now proceed with today's tutorial so I can show you every single step, and I'm going to give you multiple sources, so just stay tuned until the end of this video because you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, and that platform is called Swagbucks. This is over at swagbucks.com. You're going to see that this platform has been seen on BuzzFeed, Save the Student, Penny Herder, ABC and the Huffington Post, which shows that this platform has a lot of potential and you can join them for absolutely free from anywhere in the world by just putting your email address, password, confirm the password and click on sign up now, or you can even sign up with your Google account or Facebook account because it is a lot faster and easier. You're going to notice over here that you can do a lot of online activities in order to get paid. You're going to accumulate some points that you can redeem for PayPal Cash, but also gift cards from Amazon, Walmart and other retailers as well. You're going to shop online, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys and find great deals to earn your points. So there are a lot of activities that you can do in order to get paid, and they've paid to their members more than $737 million, and they also give out like 7,000 of free gift cards every single day. You can even check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They got 4.3 stars out of 5 with more than 27,000 of reviews. So it shows that this is a legit platform with all of these good reviews. So what you can do, of course, is to join for free and then start doing those tasks in order to accumulate points and get paid in PayPal money again and again. I'm going to proceed right away with the second platform, which is called Earnably, and it's over at earnably.com. Digital rewards and gift cards are made easy with this platform. You're going to get paid by completing tasks, watching videos and taking surveys, and you're going to accumulate points that you can of course redeem for money. And here you can check out all of the rewards that you can get, just like PayPal money, Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards and so on and so forth. And they also give you the possibility to maximize your results and earn money and passive income by inviting new members over here. They pay you 10% of their earnings for life, so just make sure to find people that you think that are interested in joining this kind of platforms and making you money again and again. So you're going to notice also some reviews from Trustpilot. You can see here that they got more than 1,000 of reviews with 4.7 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome. And this is a verified company according to Trustpilot. So you're going to also check out that this platform has been around since 2015, which shows that this is a legit platform because it has been around for 7 years now, and most of the scam websites tend to disappear after a short period of time. So this was the first platform for today. In order to get started with Earnably, all you need to do is to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner, and then you're going to just put your email address, a username, a password, then your mobile phone number. You're going to choose your country over here, and as you can see, it is not available worldwide unfortunately, but there are a lot of countries available over here, so just let me know if your country is here too, so I want to know also where you're from. You can see here that you need to agree to a terms of service and privacy policy, and after that click on the sign up button. So I'm going to proceed right away to the third platform, which is called Timebucks, and it's over at timebucks.com. You can get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks and answer surveys. So there are a lot of varieties here that you can do in order to get paid online. So you can just sign up by clicking in the sign up button up here, and you're going to sign up with your Facebook account if you want to do that faster, or you can just do it manually by just putting or you can just sign up manually by just putting your email address over here, a password, repeat the password, complete the captcha, and then click on the sign up button. You're going to notice that they also give you some daily bonuses, so you can earn money even more. You can start earning instantly once you create your account. They do offer a referral program for you to get paid in passive income by referring new members over here. They pay you through 6 different payment methods every week, and also they offer you a friendly support staff so you can ask them any question that you have. So this was over at timebucks.com. I highly recommend that you give it a try and let me know in the comments what you think about it. I'm going to proceed right away to the last platform for today, which is also the fourth one. So this platform is called Inbox Dollars, and it's over at inboxdollars.com. You can be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, and even shopping and cash offers. So you can just get cash back by just shopping, and I'm going to show you some other ways as well that you can get paid with Inbox Dollars. You're going to notice that they offer you a $5 bonus once you create your account by putting your email address, a password, confirm the password, and click on sign me up. If you scroll down, you can see all of the everyday online activities that you can do with this platform and also how it works. For example, brands pay them for consumer input. So basically all of the platforms that I showed you today work in the same way. After that, Inbox Dollars and the other platforms as well recruit members just like you that are interested in working over here and doing those online activities in order to get paid. And you're going to earn real cash, as you can see, not points. So you're going to also check out some other ways to get paid with this platform by reading emails, for example, playing games, which is also a nice way and also fun way to get paid online, because you're going to have fun and you're going to get paid for that, for something that we already do on our daily basis. You can also check out the reviews from Trustpilot. They got like more than 31,000 of reviews and also 4.1 stars, and this is a verified company according to Trustpilot. So you can just come over here, read more information about it. You're going to notice that have been around since the year 2000, so for 22 years, and they've paid a lot of money to their members, more than $80 million in cash. So what I want you to show next is that Inbox Dollars also have an app on Google Play Store and App Store, which is available, of course, for both Android and iOS users. You can go over to Google Play Store and you can check out that they got more than 5 million of downloads, which shows that this is a very popular app, and also 4 stars reviews. You can even check out some other features over here, and over at App Store they got like more than 154,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars. So the reviews over here are much better than on Google Play Store, so you can even read them, or you can just download it on your smartphone and you can check it out by your own. So this was the last platform for today. I want to mention that this one is not available worldwide. Actually, it's only available in the USA for the moment, so you can of course use the other platforms as well if you are not from the US. When you run out of tasks in one of these sources, you can go over to the other one to complete those tasks and get paid again and again. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.